Okay, I'm going to talk you through the level 1 exercise. So the first one is a over x plus b over that. Multiply everything by that bottom line to give you this line. Put x to be naught, rid of the b, then put x to be minus 1. And that should be you there. Part 2 is already factorised for you, so it's a over the first bracket plus b over the second. Multiply everything by the bottom line, so it's 14x equals a, x plus 3, plus b, 2x minus 1. Choose x to be minus 3, get rid of that bracket, sub it in. Choose x to be a half, get rid of that bracket, sub it in. Then that's your a and your b. So a and b just go back up there. Number 2, we've got 3 factors. There's no repeats, so it's just a over the first one, b over the second one, c over the third one. So just multiply everything by this bottom line. So up here you're going to have these 2. On this one you're going to have these 2. And this one you're going to have these 2. So my first x I chose to be minus 2 to get rid of this. So sub in minus 2 to there, gets rid of this one. You'll have values here, you put your minus 2, and minus 2 in there goes to 0. Then I put in x equals minus 3 over 2 to get rid of this bracket. Put it into there, that bracket's gone, that bracket will be gone, and you'll have a value there to give you c. Then I put x equals 1 for this bracket. So sub it in there, it will disappear there, and it will disappear there to give you a. So just make sure you tidy it up. So a over this, so a third. B is minus 4/3, so minus 4/3. And c is 2 over this. Question 3 is a repeated root. So it's a over x minus 1 plus b over the repeat. Multiply it by x minus 1 squared. So I chose x equals 1 to get rid of that. Now I chose the constant. I could have chosen the x coefficient, but if I did choose the x coefficient, probably would have been handier actually, to be fair. If I chose the x coefficient, it'd be 2 equals a. I got it straight off, but I chose a constant. No constant there equals minus a plus b, and so on. So make sure you write it as a plus b. Part 2 is another repeat. And on this one is the last question actually. Part 2, so it's over the first, over the second. Multiply it out. You multiply both fractions by this bottom line. Choose x to be 2/3, get rid of that. Put 2/3 in, you get b. I choose the x coefficient. So 3 minus 3a, and then you get your a to be minus 1. Put it in, a, and your b. And that is that exercise.